Welcome to Internet Marketing Academy. Learn internet marketing and grow your business with KOKOSHUNGSAN. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell for the latest updates. If you like it, please like, share it, and leave comments. Thanks for your support and for helping us make the world a better place. Affiliate Bombshell: 8 surefire strategies that generates over $100,000 per annum. Many have asked me this very question: why do some affiliates make less than $200 per month while the top affiliates go on to make as much as $3,000 to $30,000 per month? The truth of the matter is most affiliates are not willing to take the path that the top affiliates are taking to make such insane income. They want to get rich quick system. This hardly works with affiliate programs. However, there is good news for affiliates who are willing to get their hands dirty a little bit. Successful affiliate marketing today is based on the following 8 factors. A good friend of mine who is an affiliate applied it and made over $100,000 in pure profits from sales generated by him. These factors seem so simple and are often neglected, but they are immensely powerful once applied. 1. Identify a niche. The success of most affiliates comes from their chosen niche. If you find a profitable niche, you can make a ton of money. As an affiliate, you have to research an area or an interest you are very good at. Find out if people are interested or are actually researching for your area of interest. Locate reputable affiliate programs in your niche market and contact them. Also do some findings about these programs to authenticate their credibility. 2. Build a simple website. Once you have identified your niche, the next thing you do will be to go online and research for information that you will use to build your website. Please take note that you will need to build a free content website with all the information you can get concerning your subject. Don't be afraid to give away this information. Once you give away and over-deliver to your prospects, they will always come back to you for guidance. But do not sell anything on your site. 3. Grow an opt-in email list. When you build your website, one of the goals of your website will be to get email leads. This you can achieve by providing a simple opt-in email web form on every page of your free content website. This will make it easy for your visitors to subscribe to your email newsletter or tips of that subject. You should cultivate the habit of getting information that will be useful at least once every week to your subscriber base. 4. Publish more free content. Each article you find online that will be helpful both to your subscriber base and prospects should be posted on your website. Try to only provide high-quality information and newsletters to your website. Give out freebies on your site to enhance subscription rate and practically over-deliver on your information generosity. 5. Find out what your prospects want. Try to build relationship with your list by constantly replying each and every email. Show them you actually care for them by pre-selling yourself. Let them know you are interested in them as a person and not just someone who is interested in making a quick bucks. Give off yourself freely and you will earn their trust and confidence. Find out what product they actually need. 6. Get the product for your list. After you have built trust with your email list, they will be in the mood to buy from you as a recommendation from a trusted source. You have to get products that you are affiliated with or that you have bought license for, or products that have master resell rights. But this product must be of high quality or else you will lose the credibility that took you time to build. 7. Sell the products to your list. Send out your recommendation or review on the product and make it seem like a special offer that has a time span within which the price will be increased. This will make your offer to be sold out fast. You will be amazed at the results you will get this time. You can easily make tens of thousands of dollars this way. 8. Go back to step 4, publish more contents. Repeat the steps from 4 to 7 for every 2 to 4 months to your email list and do not overwhelm them with products they don't need. There you have it. This is the exact steps and strategies that the top affiliates are using to take away your competition. If and when properly done, you can generate $60,000 to $100,000 per annum. There is no need to reinvent the wheel. If you are looking for a quick way to instant wealth, chances are that you may never see it. KOKOSHUNGSAN.UK provide multi-tier/multi-level affiliate program. With the multi-tier affiliate tracking system, not only are you rewarded, you also get rewarded for encouraging other affiliates to join the affiliate program. We hope you will achieve your objectives. All the best to you. KOKOSHUNGSAN pays you to have fun. KOKOSHUNGSAN.net